Before and after some pictures. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Create and edit. In this video, I will show you how to edit Moody Rich presets using Lightroom Mobile. Let's begin. First, go to Light. Contrast plus 40. Highlights minus 30. Shadows plus 50. White minus 40. Black plus 50. Go to Curve. Follow the steps. Done. Now go to Color. Temp plus 2. Tint plus 10. Vibrance plus 30. Saturation plus 20. Now go to Color Max. Red hue plus 10. Saturation minus 50. Orange hue minus 10. Saturation minus 50. Luminance plus 32. Yellow hue minus 100. Saturation minus 50. Luminance plus 10. Green saturation minus 50. Aqua saturation minus 50. Blue saturation minus 80. purple saturation -100 and pink saturation -100. Done. Now go to Effect. Clarity +20. Dehez +20. Now go to Split Tone. Highlights hue 62 and saturation 20. Shadows hue 190 for and saturation 10. And set balance -25. Finish. Now copy settings and paste in other pictures.